We've compiled the best 5 smart pillows available in the market, helping you to make smarter buying decisions. From ZEEQ Smart Pillow to iSense Sleep Smart Pillow, be ready to discover the exact pillow that will help you have the best zzz time of your life. The quality of sleep we have as humans significantly impacts our productivity the next day and overall health. Interestingly, many factors affect the quality of our sleep, and while some relate to our mental, emotional, and physical condition, some depend on the quality of our bedding. People with the best emotional and health condition will struggle to sleep soundly if their bedding isn't comfortable. And by bedding, I mean more than your mattress, bed cover, and bed sheets. Your pillow is equally important. The pillow holds the head and neck throughout the night, ensuring you do not wake up feeling pain in those regions. Now guess what? Thanks to technological advancements, pillows have been made smart. Yes, you heard that right. Like other smart gadgets, smart pillows contain electronic functionalities to give you comfort and monitor your overall sleeping behaviors and patterns. These electronic components include a timer, rechargeable battery, speakers, snoring sensors, and so on, depending on the brand and model of the smart pillow. The best part is that these components are kept inside the smart pillow in a way that you won't know or feel like there is anything apart from the regular foam inside the pillow. Now, although this is a relatively new idea, thousands of brands have smart pillows, which makes it more challenging to choose which one to buy, especially if you are a first-time buyer. But you don't have to worry any further. Let's dive right into our best 5 smart pillows for all kinds of sleepers. Number 5, the REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow. Many people do not like the idea of wearing a fitness tracker to bed, while some do not have the financial capacity to buy smart mattresses to track their sleep. This is where the REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow comes in. It is hard to believe, but it's true. The REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow includes snore monitoring and built-in sensors that alert you when you need to shift positions or if your current sleeping posture may harm your physical health. It also features wireless speakers to stream any audio you want. It is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Echo, which can read your sleep metrics, such as your sleep quality and snoring levels, the next morning, and also set a timer to your music, so it won't wake you or your partner in the middle of the night. Analyzing all your moves during the night is also easy with REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow, and it ends it all by tailoring your wake-up time to align perfectly with your sleep cycle. Experts prove that this helps increase morning energy, which is the best type of start to the day. However, the REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow can be somewhat heavy, almost twice that of ordinary pillows. But if you aren't the type that moves the pillow around while sleeping, this shouldn't be a problem for you. Number 4, iSense Sleep Smart Pillow. As its name suggests, the iSense Sleep Smart Pillow is specifically designed for people who snore while sleeping. Its primary function is to detect and stop any form of snoring once active, thanks to the snoring detectors and airbags it features. People snore majorly because their heads are wrongly placed and, in turn, obstruct the free flow of air. Once the snoring detectors in this smart pillow detect snoring, it triggers the pressurized airbags to deflate, automatically changing your head position and, in turn, stopping you from snoring. The iSense Sleep Smart Pillow contains 4 airbags, which inflate and deflate depending on your head position. It also comes with a user-friendly mobile application that allows you to customize the smart pillow to suit your preferences. One of these customizable settings is the sound sensitivity and music timer that switches off the built-in speakers after timeout. You can also monitor your sleeping data and access sleeping recommendations on the application. The iSense Sleep Smart Pillow is also designed in a way that aids sweat absorption, which makes it the perfect option for hot sleepers. iSense Sleep Smart Pillow doesn't have as much weight as the REM-Fit ZEEQ Smart Pillow and is priced at approximately $169 per unit. Number 3, Somnox Sleep Robot Pillow. Imagine yourself sleeping with a robot you can hold in your arms every night and feel it rise and fall against your chest, accompanying you into dreamland while you enjoy a sweet and sound sleep. That is precisely what the Somnox Sleep Robot Pillow helps you achieve. Although without a voice or arms to hold you back, this smart pillow was designed to serve as a bedtime companion that helps you fall asleep more quickly, enjoy a deeper bedtime, and wake up more refreshed. The Somnox Sleep Robot Pillow has the shape of an oversized butternut squash, but is covered in baby-soft fabric that makes cuddling easier. This smart system contains a motorized breathing mechanism that inflates and deflates depending on your breathing pattern and frequency. With time, the breathing mechanism synchronizes with your breathing frequency. This slows your heart, relaxes you, and guides you swiftly but gently toward sleep. But that is not even all with the Somnox Sleep Robot Pillow. Its manufacturing company recently disclosed its plans to include a CO2 sensor and an accelerometer in the robot pillow, while making it function like a sleep alarm that gently shakes you awake. Whether you are a stomach, side, or back sleeper, the Somnox Sleep Robot Pillow functions more as an adult teddy bear, humming lullabies to your ears while you fall asleep and guiding you to wake more refreshed and energized. Number 2. The Zarema AI Height Adjusting Pillow. This pillow stands out as a groundbreaking sleep aid, seamlessly merging comfort with state-of-the-art technology. Crafted from plush memory foam reminiscent of marshmallows, this pillow ensures a soothing foundation for your head throughout the night. A key feature of the Zarema pillow lies in its auto-height adjusting capability, driven by deep learning AI. By assimilating information about your sleep habits, the pillow intuitively adapts its height to cradle your neck, delivering optimal comfort and support. This unique attribute proves especially advantageous for those prone to snoring, as the pillow dynamically alters its height to promote airway openness, potentially reducing snoring incidents. Complementing its advanced functionality, the pillow seamlessly pairs with an AI-powered app that facilitates real-time sleep monitoring. The app intelligently fine-tunes the pressure and height of the pillow based on your individual sleep patterns, ensuring a profound and rejuvenating sleep experience. It's essential to acknowledge that the Zarema pillow falls within the premium category, accompanied by a substantial price tag. User reviews present a mixed perspective, with some lauding its sleep-enhancing features, while others critique the perceived inaccuracies in its technology and uncomfortable design. Coming in at number 1, we have the Sleep Smart Intelligent Adjustable Pillow. It's like the superhero of sleep aids. It's all about mixing comfort with cool tech, especially for those of us who crash out on our sides. The height is adjustable, making sure you're comfy and perfectly aligned. Now, what's this pillow made of, you ask? Well, it's got this fancy cloud comfort system, a hypoallergenic cover, down alternative fill, and a support layer of breathable foam. All this magic ensures the pillow keeps its shape and has your back, literally, over time. But here's where it gets interesting. This pillow is basically your sleep buddy with a built-in snooze monitoring system. It records your sleepy sounds and snoring, giving you the lowdown on your sleep patterns. Then there's Sophie, the pillow's personal sleep coach, who dishes out customized advice to level up your sleep game. And wait for it, there's a ninja move with a nearly silent vibration alarm built in. It wakes you up gently during your lightest sleep phase, so you rise and shine feeling like a champ. Quick heads up though, the Sleep Smart Pillow is a bit of a high roller in the price department. Reviews are generally giving it a thumbs up, praising its comfort and sleep-boosting skills. But, fair warning, some folks say the sleep tracking can be a bit hit or miss. In a nutshell, the Sleep Smart Intelligent Adjustable Pillow is like the tech guru of sleep solutions. It's got a bag of tricks to upgrade your sleep quality, but like all superheroes, its powers might work differently for each sleeper, depending on their vibes and snooze style. There you have it, the best 5 smart pillows that help you turn off your brain at night and eliminate stress so you can enjoy a relaxed, comforting, and sound time. So, are you ready to join the train of sound sleepers? Try out any of the smart pillows discussed in this video and you will be glad you did. Do you already own a smart pillow? Do let us know your experience in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, and don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the notification bell so you will be among the first to know when we publish next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.